A user enables Google Sync for convenience, inadvertently moving their enterprise passwords and bookmarks to a personal cloud server. A browser's autofill saves a client's credit card or PII, leaving it vulnerable if the device is ever compromised. These aren't malicious attacks. They happen when everyday browser features aren't properly managed and restricted. In this video, we show you how to set up data leakage prevention configurations for your clients using MSP Central and why protecting sensitive data should always start right at the browser level. Data leakage prevention configurations let you define exactly which browser features are allowed or restricted across your client's endpoints. You can set policies to disable Google Sync, ensuring that corporate passwords, history, and autofill data aren't synchronized to a user's personal cloud account. You can prevent browsers from saving passwords or using autofill, eliminating a massive vulnerability if a third-party cloud server is breached. You can even block third-party cookies and enable web isolation, which safely routes untrusted websites to a virtual browser that never touches the user's local file storage. Once these configurations are built into a policy, every browser for that client follows the same strict security standards, effectively stopping accidental data leaks at the source. For MSPs, this matters on 3 levels. Proactive security. By restricting risky features like password saving and autofill, you're closing data leakage loopholes before they can be exploited. Client data stays securely within the enterprise boundary. Compliance enablement. Disabling third-party cookies and preventing PII from being stored in browsers helps your clients effortlessly meet strict industry regulations and data privacy standards. Client-specific customization. Different clients have different risk profiles. You can deploy basic sync restrictions for one client while enforcing strict browser isolation for another. Building DLP policies per client means you're providing tailored security, not a rigid one-size-fits-all solution. Now that you understand why data leakage prevention configurations matter and what they protect against, let's go inside MSP Central and see exactly how to set them up for your clients. From your MSP Central dashboard, navigate to the Endpoint module. Click on Policies, then select Data Leak Prevention. Click on Create Policy and choose your target OS, either Windows or Mac. Start by giving your new policy a clear name on the creation page. From here, you have granular control over browser behavior. For example, you can restrict users from printing web pages or disable automatic browser sync to prevent them from sharing bookmarks, passwords, and themes across personal Chrome or Firefox accounts. You can also prevent the browser from saving history, remembering passwords, or opening file selection dialogues for web uploads. For advanced security, you can restrict screen capture and mirroring, or enforce site per process, so each domain opens as a separate, secure instance. You also have the option to disable background processing, network prediction, download location prompts, and metrics reporting to Google for your domain-joined machines. Additionally, you can configure Gen AI DLP protection to block users from typing or pasting PII data directly into generative AI sites. You can specify authorized accounts for email trackers and dictate exactly how third-party cookies are handled, whether they are always, never, or allowed on websites the user would have already visited. Once you have customized these settings for your client, click Save and Publish. Your policy is now created. To implement, click the 3-dot action icon next to the policy and choose whether to deploy it to specific computers or an entire custom group. Select your target computers and click Deploy to instantly activate the policy in those selected endpoints. And that's data leakage prevention configurations inside MSP Central. You can now prevent corporate data from syncing to personal clouds, disable vulnerable autofill features, block third-party cookies, and isolate untrusted web traffic all from one console. For MSPs managing security across varied client environments, this is a hope for secure user browsing into a defined, repeatable security posture for every client you support. Check out the rest of the MSP Central feature series to learn more. One feature and video exactly like this. Thanks for watching. As we always say, every feature you master is one more reason your clients trust you. See you in the next one.